Hi, my name is Eileen Rivera. I am an agent in Long Beach, California, and I am also a senior coach for the Tom Ferry organization. And my number one tip for new agents, newer agents, brand new agents is design a schedule as if you were working an 8 to 5 job, okay? You have to be talking to people, you have to be perfecting your skills and your craft, and that's your GPS to success. Your calendar is your GPS to success. Align with great mentors and teammates, and follow the schedule. If you need right now business, what I recommend is that you look at expired opportunities in your marketplace and definitely open houses. I met this awesome young agent who did 30 open houses in 30 days, resulted in a deal immediately, and actually wound up tracking 5 transactions back to that 1 month's activity. So expireds, for sale by owners, and open houses are a great way to get your momentum going if you need right now business. Personally, what I'm focusing on in 2020 is monitoring all the systems and making sure that they're producing. I mean, again, as an owner, as a leader, that's really important that I inspect what I expect from my team and from myself. Personally, for me, I have committed to doing 2 things that I don't particularly want to do every single week that I know will bring back opportunity. So sometimes I'd rather be home, but I should be at that event. Things like that, they're not major, but I know that if I put myself in those places, there's no question that there will be a return of investment on that time that I've invested. So for me, it's I know it might sound silly to a lot of you, but to you seasoned agents, you get what I'm saying. Like, we know that there's opportunity everywhere. And sometimes our plate is so full and we're looking for balance. Well, I decided to try the balance, to throw the balance off a little bit and intentionally choose 2 times a week to do that thing I don't really want to do because it's worth the return.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.